Welcome to AIME. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the question is 9 is to power x plus 21 is to power x is equals to 49 is to power x. In order to solve this question, first we should replace or we should convert these three values into a factor form, and we will get when this 9 will if we factorize, we will get 3 square and overall power x will remain same. This 21 will break into two factor, which is 3 into 7, and overall power x will remain same. This 49 will convert into 7 square and overall power x will remain same. In the next step, we should interchange both of these power with each other, and we will get 3 is to power x overall square, because this square will replace with this value, with this power x, we will get 3 is to power x overall square. Now this power x will apply individually on both of these value, and we will get 3 is to power x into 7 is to power x. And now this square will replace with this x and or interchange with this power x, and we will get 7 is to power x overall square, and I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now in the next step, we should consider 3 is to power x will be equal to u and 7 is to power x is equals to v. And now we will insert the value of 3 is to power x and 7 is to power x inside this equation 1, and we will get u square plus u into v equal to v square, because this 3 is to power x will replace with u, and we will get u square. This 3 is to power x will replace with u, and this 7 is to power x will replace with this v, and 7 is to power x will replace with v, we will get v square. Now in the next step, this plus v square will move to the other side of the equation, and it will convert minus v square. Now our new equation is u square plus u into v minus v square equal to 0. Now if we consider this u square or a u as a variable, we can see that this is a quadratic equation according to u variable, but this is not a factorizable equation. It means that we will compare this equation from a standard quadratic equation to apply the formula of quadratic. So first we should compare this equation from standard quadratic equation, and we will get the value of ABC. So when we compare this equation from a standard quadratic equation, we will get the value of a equal to 1, b is equals to v, and c is equals to minus v square. How? Because the coefficient of u square will be equal to 1, and which is equal to a. So here a will be equal to 1. The coefficient of u will be equal to v, which is b, and the third value having no variable will be equal to c, which is minus v square. Now, as we know that the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we should replace the value of a, b, c from 1, b and minus v square inside this equation. So we should insert the value of a, b, c inside this equation, and we will get minus into v plus minus v square minus 4 into 1 into minus v square over 2 into 1, because this b will replace with this v, and we will get minus into v. Again this b will replace with v, minus 4 will remain same, this a will replace with this 1, and this c will replace with the value of c, which is minus v square. 2 will remain same, and this a will replace with this 1, because this is a value a for this equation. Now we should simplify this quadratic formula as u is equals to minus v plus minus under root 5v square over 2, because plus minus obviously minus will be equal to minus v. This is a v square, and minus minus plus, and 4v square. 4v square plus v square will be equal to 5v square. 2 into 1 will be equal to 2. Now in the next step, we should take common v from this numerator. How? Because this v square will cancel out the root of this v, and now this v will come out from the root, and we will take common v from both of these value, and then minus 1 plus minus under root 5 will be the remaining value after taking common this v from this expression, and over 2 will remain same. Now here we get two values for the u. First is minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2, and the second value is minus 1 minus under root 5 over 2. Now we should replace this value of u with this 3 is to power x from our consideration, and this we will replace with the power of 7 is to power x as our supposition. In the same way, we should replace the value of u and v from 3 is to power x and into 7 is to power x from our supposition. Now first we should solve our question for this value, which is 3 is to power x is equal to 7 is to power x into 1 minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2. Now in the next step, this 7 is to power x will go in division with this 3x, and we will write this fraction value into with the one bracket, and which have power x, because from the basic rule of algebra, if two values having the same power, it can be write in one bracket with one power, and the remaining value will be equal to, or the other side of the equation will be equal to, minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2. Now in order to get the value of x, we should apply log base 3 over 7 on the both side of the equation, and we will get log base 3 over 7 into 3 over 7 overall power x is equal to log 3 over 7 into minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2. Now this log and this log value and this log base and this value will cancel out, and now here we get the value for the x, and which is x equal to log minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2. Now you can find this value easily by inserting this value inside the calculator, and you will get easily the value of x for this expression. It is a very easy way you can find by yourself. Now we should solve our question for this expression, which is 3 is to power x is equal to 7 is to power x into minus 1 minus under root 5 over 2. And now we should divide this 7 is to power x with this 3x, and we will take 3 over 7 in a one bracket with power x as we have done before, and this this 7x will not exist here because we move it on the other side of the equation, and this and we will get on the other side of the equation is minus 1 minus under root 5 over 2. Now in the next step, we should take common minus as a common value, and we will get as a remaining value is 1 plus under root 5 over 2. Now we should in the next step we should apply the log with the base 3 over 7 on the both side of the equation is same as before, and this log and this value will cancel out, and we will get the value of for the x is equal to log 3 over 7 into minus 1 into 1 plus under root 5 over 2. And negative of the log is to find the value for the negative of the log is a difficult task, or it is almost impossible for many of people. We should not find a value for this log value, negative log value, because you cannot find easily. So we should consider that not log base 3 of 3 over 7 will not existable. So here we have only one solution for this expression, which is x log 3 over 7 minus 1 plus under root 5 over 2. I hope you people like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.